Hello everybody, and welcome back to how to build a 105 thunderchief 10 minutes at a time. Okay, people, I got these wings ready to glass the other side. See, Butch already had one side glassed. He actually made these wings a long time ago for Paul. But what he does to keep them straight is, you see, these little foam wings want to twist around a lot until you get them glassed. So what he actually does, he takes his big hunk of foam, puts it on his router table, cuts out one side, and then he glasses that one side before he flips it over. Then he flips it over after the glass is set up and does the other side, and that keeps this stuff nice and straight. Keeps it from warping. So I've got this other side ready to roll. Okay, now I got both my layers of glass on here. I'm going to see if I can't do two layers at the same time. I'm going to try it out on this side and see how it works. We might have to switch it on the other side. We just want to put it on nice and thick. Let her soak in. I think it's going to be alright. It's going to take a bunch of resin. I can hurry up and get this done before this resin goes off in this heat. Yeah, it's going to be fine. Going to work just fine. What we can't forget to do is take our glass past these edges, or take our resin past these edges, so we can trim it and have a nice edge. Then I want to have to put a balsa leading edge on them and get all that done. Yeah, that's going to work out fine. Just got to put enough on there so it can soak in. Now my rudder, they didn't do this to the rudder, so I'm actually going to have to build a jig, or my vertical stab, you know. I'm going to have to build me a little jig to keep that from warping, because just the weight of this glass and resin on just that bare foam will make it want to warp. So if I build me a little jig, that can keep it from doing that. Well, my plug is looking good, the fuselage. I've got it pretty much ready for panel lines. I want to get these wings caught up. Dad came over this morning and had a cup of coffee with me. He wants to help put the panel lines on, so I told him he's more than welcome. You just let this cloth soak up as much resin as it wants. Can't be skimpy on resin, man. Don't want no dry spots. The dry spots look white and everything else looks clear. I mean, they just really pop out at you. And this pretty much goes for the same thing if you got some sheeted wood, you know. You can tell the dry spots. Bam, that looks good. Now we want to get a little extra on there for our peel ply. And we want to just let this resin flow. Out there. You need a little extra, just put it back in your cup. Then this extra resin, I'm going to go over here and put it in my freezer until I get started on that other one. I don't want it going off yet. Yeah, let's go put this in the freezer for a minute. Okay, Porky. Now let's put our peel ply on there. Alright, got this cut. Gotta put it on right. Okay. And this will make my surface a lot smoother. Like my little inlets, I didn't put peel ply on them. And I wish I would have. Then it came out rough. Rough, rough, rough. We don't want no dry spots on this either, so let's just work this in for a minute. Oh, we're running out of time, folks. I'll make another video and show you what's going on.